Why do we procrastinate? The psychology behind it. Ever found yourself scrolling on your phone instead of working on something important? You're not lazy. Your brain is wired this way. Welcome to my The Brain Lab YouTube channel, where we break down human psychology in simple, fun ways. Today, we're diving into why we procrastinate and how to stop it. 1. The psychology of procrastination. Your brain has two systems: instant gratification versus logical thinking. The limbic system, pleasure-seeking, fights with the prefrontal cortex, rational decision-making. When the limbic system wins, you choose easy, fun activities instead of difficult, important tasks. 2. The time travel problem. Future. You want success, but present you want comfort. This is called present bias. Our brains prioritize immediate pleasure over long-term rewards. 3. How to overcome procrastination. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll do this for just 5 minutes. Once you start, it's easier to continue. Temptation bundling. Pair a task you dislike with something enjoyable, e.g., listening to music while cleaning. The 3-2-1-go method. Count down from 3 and take action immediately to break hesitation. Procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's about how our brains are wired. But now you have the tools to beat it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more psychology insights, and comment below. What's your biggest procrastination struggle?